Carpets are a common feature in many homes and businesses, providing warmth and comfort underfoot. However, over time, carpets can accumulate dust, dirt, and allergens that can have a detrimental effect on indoor air quality. Regular carpet cleaning is crucial in maintaining a healthy living or working environment. As we go through this video, we encourage you to please hit the like button, leave us a comment and subscribe to watch more. Understanding indoor air quality. Before delving into the specifics of carpet cleaning, let's briefly understand what indoor air quality, IAQ, means. IAQ refers to the air quality within buildings and structures, particularly concerning the health and comfort of occupants. Good IAQ is characterized by clean and pollutant-free air, while poor IAQ can lead to various health issues, including allergies, respiratory problems, and discomfort. Carpets and indoor air quality. Carpets can be both an asset and a potential source of indoor air pollution. On the one hand, they provide insulation and can help improve energy efficiency by retaining heat. On the other hand, carpets can trap dust, pet dander, pollen, and other allergens deep within their fibers, making them a reservoir of potential indoor air pollutants. Carpets act like a giant filter, capturing particles that would otherwise circulate in the air. However, this also means that without proper cleaning, carpets can become a breeding ground for harmful allergens. Over time, these trapped pollutants can be released into the indoor environment, leading to respiratory issues and discomfort, especially for individuals with allergies or asthma. The role of carpet cleaning. Regular carpet cleaning is essential to mitigate the negative impact of carpets on indoor air quality. Here are some key ways in which carpet cleaning can make a difference. Removal of allergens and dust. One of the primary benefits of carpet cleaning is the removal of allergens and dust particles that accumulate over time. Vacuuming, steam cleaning, and professional carpet cleaning services can effectively extract these contaminants from the carpet fibers, preventing them from becoming airborne and causing respiratory issues. Deep cleaning methods, such as steam cleaning and hot water extraction, not only remove surface dirt but also penetrate deep into the carpet pile. This thorough cleaning process ensures that allergens, bacteria, and pollutants are lifted from the fibers, improving the overall indoor air quality. Prevention of mold growth. Moisture can get trapped in carpets, creating a favorable environment for mold and mildew growth. Mold spores are known allergens and can lead to various health problems. Regular carpet cleaning helps to eliminate moisture and inhibit mold growth, thereby improving indoor air quality. In addition to removing existing mold spores, carpet cleaning methods that utilize hot water extraction or steam can effectively kill mold and prevent its return. By keeping carpets dry and clean, you create a less hospitable environment for mold to thrive. Odor elimination. Carpets can trap odors from pets, food spills, and other sources. These odors can linger in the indoor air, causing discomfort and annoyance. Professional carpet cleaning can effectively remove these odors, leaving your indoor space smelling fresh and clean. Carpet cleaning techniques, such as hot water extraction, not only remove the source of odors but also target odor-causing bacteria. This ensures a long-lasting and pleasant-smelling indoor environment, contributing to overall comfort. Prolonged carpet lifespan. Regular maintenance, including cleaning, can extend the lifespan of your carpets. This not only ensures that your carpets look good for longer but also reduces the need for carpet replacement, which can release indoor air pollutants during installation. A well-maintained carpet can withstand wear and tear better than a neglected one. By removing dirt and debris regularly, you prevent abrasive particles from breaking down the carpet fibers. This prolongs the life of your carpets and minimizes the environmental impact of carpet disposal and replacement. Choosing the right carpet cleaning method. Regarding carpet cleaning, several methods are available, including dry cleaning, steam cleaning, and hot water extraction. The choice of method depends on various factors, including the type of carpet, the level of soiling, and personal preferences. Dry cleaning. Dry cleaning methods use specialized cleaning agents and minimal moisture. While this method can be efficient for light cleaning and may not leave carpets as wet, it may not be as effective in deep cleaning and allergen removal. Dry cleaning is an option for carpets that cannot withstand moisture, such as delicate wool rugs. However, it's essential to note that dry cleaning may provide a different level of allergen removal than wet methods. Therefore, it's crucial to assess your carpet's specific needs and consult a professional to determine the most appropriate cleaning approach. Steam cleaning. Steam cleaning involves using hot water and steam to break down dirt and stains. It effectively removes deep-seated dirt and allergens, making it a popular choice for improving indoor air quality. Steam cleaning not only cleans the surface but also penetrates deep into the carpet fibers, extracting embedded contaminants. The high-temperature steam not only dissolves dirt but also kills bacteria and dust mites, contributing to a healthier indoor environment. Hot water extraction. Hot water extraction, also known as deep cleaning, is a method that uses hot water and detergent to thoroughly clean carpets. It's highly effective in removing allergens and can significantly enhance indoor air quality. Hot water extraction is considered one of the most efficient methods for deep cleaning and allergen removal. It flushes out dirt and pollutants deep within the carpet pile, leaving carpets cleaner and contributing to a healthier indoor environment. Carpet cleaning is vital in maintaining good indoor air quality. By removing allergens, preventing mold growth, eliminating odors, and prolonging the lifespan of carpets, regular cleaning helps ensure a healthier and more comfortable living or working environment. When choosing a carpet cleaning method, consider the specific needs of your carpets and the level of cleanliness required to achieve the best results. Like, share, leave a comment and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos.